Cover them with a layer of edible glue. Blot a donut with a napkin and attach it to the book board. We will need a blank headband. Roll out some sugar paste. Sprinkle it with powdered sugar or starch. Mark off the size of the headband. Cut a strip 3 inches shorter. Make oval edges. Cover the headband with edible glue and attach the sugar paste strip, making 1.5-inch allowances at each end of the headband. Hot glue the bookboard circles with the donuts to the headband ends. Attach foam rubber sheet circles to the cardboard. I sneak to the blue-eyed girl and put on my donut earphones onto her head. Why are there donuts on my head? It's amazing! The donuts match me perfectly, and the glaze emphasizes the color of my eyes. Sweet earphones do not prevent her from listening to music. Well, once my plan has failed, I will eat a donut. And the blue-eyed girl bites off the second one gladly. It's time to have some coffee. By the way, marshmallows happen to be on the table. Oh wait, it's a phone case. We will need a silicone phone case and little marshmallows. Use edible glue to attach the marshmallows to the phone case. You may also use gelatin with water. Any sweet tooth will love this phone case. Just take a marshmallow off the phone and enjoy the taste. I add some marshmallows into my cup. Mmm, tasty! I snuggle on the sofa with a book. The blue-eyed girl joins my book club too. She opens up her e-reader and I hear a crisp all of a sudden. My friend starts chewing on the cover. Put your e-reader into a wafer sheet. Cut it to fit the size of the e-reader, making 1/2-inch allowances on each side. Round the corners from one side. Make one more identical detail. Cut out a wafer strip of the same length and 1/2 inch width for the book spine. Attach the wafer details onto icing lace using edible glue. Make 1/2-inch gaps between the details. Make a clasp out of the icing lace. Attach one end to the back of the cover. Make a small hole on the other end. Attach a marshmallow to the cover and close the lace clasp. Decorate the cover. Attach edible beads with edible glue. Cut 2 thin strips off a chewing candy. Roll them and cut in half. Attach to the corners inside the cover. And put your e-reader into the sweet loops. Crunch, crunch! My friend must be reading a recipe book if she doesn't notice her eating the case. As it turns out, it isn't so. The e-reader case is just made out of sweet waffle. She shares the wafer with me. Well, then her case won't last for a long time. I adore gummies! What if I decorate my phone case with them? Put Frutella candies into a microwave for 7 to 8 seconds to become softer. Knead them together and roll them out. Sprinkle Frutella with powdered sugar so that it doesn't stick to the tabletop. Put a phone case onto it and cut off the excess. Do not forget about the camera hole. Add water to gelatin. Use it to attach lips-shaped gummies to the phone case. I've prepared a gift for the blue-eyed girl, the sweet phone case with delicious lips. My friend doesn't know yet that she can rip off the bright phone case decorations and have a little snack. Did you like our edible case and gadget ideas? Then write in your comments what you will cook for dessert. A Frutella phone case, sweet earphones, or a wafer e-reader cover. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss something interesting.